Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for the chance for presenting the potency of attractiveness and perception of visitors to marine ecotourism at Hope Island, Thousand Island Marine National Park. Can Jakarta be successful in ecotourism? Facts about Jakarta: air pollution level unhealthy, 5th rank in the world. Traffic density 53%, 7th rank in the world. Population density 9th rank in the world. Economic losses due to traffic jam 65 trillion rupiah. River pollution level 95%. Do you know that Jakarta is a potential place for marine ecotourism via Thousand Island Marine National Park? It has 342 islands. The area is almost 800 hectares. The capacity is almost 1,700 people per day. You can go to the Hope Island from Marina Ancol about 60 kilometers, 2 until 3 hours. The width of the island is almost 16 kilometers square. Population 2,300 people. Density 1,500 people per kilometer square. We have 3 ecotourism criteria. 1. Build environmental awareness. 2. Protect ecosystem through conservation and restoration. 3. Provide financial benefits and empowerment for local people. Marine resource at the Hope Island: hard coral 50%, abiotic 23%, algae almost 20%, other biota and dead coral around 7%. It has 36 coral reef and 56 fishes at the Hope Island. Marine resource management at the Hope Island: number 1, capture fisheries. 2, aquaculture. 3, coral reef conservation. 4, mangrove restoration. All activities has positive impact at the Hope Island. Local society empowerment through catering service to provide food, homestay, more than 100 places, and tour guide. All activities will benefit local society at the Hope Island. Ecotourism perception research: number of visitors 30 people. Research method: questionnaire Likert. Scale: number 1 until 7, from strongly disagree until strongly agree. With the scale number 4 is neutral. Respondent profile: respondent genders 43% men, 57% women. Visitors are grouped more than 2 people. Respondent job: private employees 45%, college student 27%, and the rest from businessmen until teachers are 7%. Motivation aspect: going to the Hope Island, increase an insight, relieve fatigue after work, improve a family relationship, look for new inspiration, get a social interaction, enjoy a hobby, follow a lifestyle trend. Preferred tour activities at the Hope Island: from exploring the island, snorkeling, beach tour, picnic, diving, society cultural interaction, and the last one is fishing. Estimated time of visit: length of stay 2 days 1 night. Visitation time: school holiday, Idul Fitri, Christmas, and New Year. They go to the Hope Island in determinate time, every 6 months or every year mostly. Daily activity time: from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. At the end of the day, they look for sunset and barbecue. For the long hours, 8 until 9 hours. For the short hours, 4 until 5 hours. Tour object availability: back to the nature is the tagline of ecotourism. From the natural tour, cultural tour, rural tour, culinary tour, Argo tour, and the last one is shopping tour. Availability of supporting facilities at the Hope Island, from snorkeling facilities, homestay, transportation, diving facility, restaurant, worship facility, cleaning facility. Tour management, from beauty of tour object, convenience, uniqueness, far from city noise, and also the last one is far from pollution. Incurred costs, reasonably priced and affordable. The range of the costs from more than 300 until 500,000 rupiah, and the other one more than 500,000 until 1 million rupiah. Conclusion: Jakarta as a metropolitan city has big problems to resolve: air and water pollution, traffic jam, flood, and etc. But Jakarta is successful in becoming ecotourism city via Thousand Island Marine National Park, for example, Hope Island. Recommendation: government has to be proactive to recover Jakarta environmental condition. Every Jakarta citizen has to implement Go Green behavior, starting from his or her home. Ecotourist has to maintain the preservation of marine resources for future sustainability. Thank you very much.